Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Game Network Protocol error. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Next, type ipconfig/renew and hit Enter. After that, run nettesh winsock reset and press Enter. Once done, type exit and close CMD. Now press Windows plus R. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi network and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and type 8.8.8.8 as the preferred and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. Click OK to save changes. Finally, restart your PC to apply the settings. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft Game Network Protocol error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!